Hello and welcome to GreyNoise University. I'm Michael Sargovakian and this module is part of our GreyNoise API and CLI training series. In this module we will be covering the RIOT command using the GreyNoise CLI. The RIOT command is the primary command to use when you desire to get additional information on an IP address from the RIOT or Common Business Service dataset. RIOT lookups are only supported with the Enterprise API. Using the IP you want to check, the command will be GreyNoise RIOT. The results will tell you whether or not the IP address is in the RIOT dataset, and if it is, will include the actor, the category, the trust level, and the last time it was updated. When you look up an IP using the RIOT command and it is not in the RIOT dataset, it will simply tell you that the IP is not in the RIOT dataset. You can change the output formats using the -f parameter. Other available options are JSON, text, and XML. The CLI allows for the results to be exported to a local file, instead of printing them out to the console. To do this, add -o for output to the command, and provide the location and name of the new file. For the rest of the demonstration, I'll be using PyCharm to interact with the GreyNoise Python SDK. This is what the script looks like to perform a RIOT lookup using the SDK. This will use the command RIOT. Running this script will return all the context on this IP address. Checking the results, RIOT true, indicates this IP address is part of our RIOT dataset. When an IP is in this dataset, additional context for the IP is included, such as category, name, description, explanation, and trust level. When we execute the same script with a different IP, we see this time that the IP address is RIOT false, meaning that this is not part of the RIOT dataset. You can use this IP to do an IP lookup to see if it's part of the noise dataset. This concludes this training module. If you have any questions on the topics covered, please reach out to support@greynoise.io.